Hello, this is Mohsin. Today I'm going to show you another Google Sheet tricks how you can create a sidebar and you can organize your button, your menus in this sidebar, and you can navigate all the app script from this sidebar. So here you can see when I click on Mohsin toolbar in the side bar, it open a toolbar for me, and here I can see all of my sheet names. So statistics, summary, expense log. So here you can see my expense log is invisible, so when I click on this, now you can see my expense log is showing. So if I again want to hide this additional sheet, just I need to click this one and you will see this one is now hide. So you no need to go again and again in your AppScript sheet. You can just create your sidebar here, and from this sidebar you can easily run your AppScript code. So let's say I want to send this sheet to my Gmail. So here I have draft my Gmail, and where it will be sent, who will be in CC, what is the mail subject, and what will be the mail body. And based on that, whatever I will mention here, the mail will be sent accordingly. So if I open my email, then you can see this. If I open, and then if I go here, let me see you my inbox. So here you can see my inbox, and send item is if I show you the send item, so it was sent 11 a.m. and my time is now 11:35. So let's try this button, and now if I click this one, and it will ask me to send the email, then I said yes, and it will be sent active sheet. And okay, now if I go here, and here you can see this is 11:35. If I open, so here you can see the 11:35, and this one is 11:35, and this is my PDF sheet, and here you can see this one is exactly this one. So with this side nav bar, you no need to go in the backend in your AppScript sheet. You can control everything here, and also you can create a filter. So like if you type anything, let's say data, here you can see the sheet. So I'm just showing that how much functionality you can put on the sidebar, how you can control, you can get your sheet name, drop down, text box, filter, button. You can create anything from here. So thank you so much. If you need this kind of solution or any kind of Google Sheet tricks or Excel, VBA, Power Automate, Power BI, Looker Studio, any kind of solution you need, just message me anytime. And also I am provide the consultation. If you have any business idea, business solution, you can just message me. We can discuss and we can develop a quick solution. I am a full-time freelancer and ready for 24/7 Zoom call. I want to see you in next video call to enhance your business. So I will come back to you with another Google Sheet tricks. Until then, take care. Have a good day.